Hello, I'm Sophia, a developer at Sienci Labs, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to use the Go to Location feature. On the main carve page here, there is this little button here, looks like a paper plane. Click on that, and you'll get a pop-up where you can go to a specific location. For a go to location, there are two ways to move. The first one is absolute positioning. So if you're going to move absolute, it takes your position from the workspace 0. So in this case, it automatically filled it in with x45 and y45 because that is how far away we are from the current workspace 0. If I go and change it to 60, it will have moved 15 millimeters over in the x direction. The second way to move is incremental. Incremental is based on where your bit currently is. It's not based on the workspace 0 or anything like that. It's just where are you right now and where do you want to go. So in this case, if I put 5 millimeters in the x, it will go 5 millimeters from where we currently are. The last option is the machine coordinate system. In this case, instead of using the workspace position, it will use the machine position. You can only use this if you have homing enabled and you have homed your machine. All right, that's how to use the Go to Location tool in gSender. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's gSender tip.